How does a child's body fight gastroenteritis and recover? Imagine your child's body as a tiny army fighting off an invader. When a child gets gastroenteritis, usually caused by viruses like rotavirus or norovirus, their immune system springs into action to protect and heal. First, the virus infects the cells lining the stomach and intestines, called enterocytes. This damage makes it hard for the intestines to absorb nutrients and fluids, leading to watery diarrhea, vomiting, stomach cramps, and sometimes fever. The viruses also cause the intestines to secrete more fluids and activate the nervous system, which worsens symptoms like nausea and diarrhea. The body's first line of defense is the innate immune system. It acts quickly by recognizing the virus and triggering inflammation. This involves immune cells that releases signaling molecules called cytokines. These cytokines help recruit more immune cells to the infection site, starting the process of fighting the virus. At the same time, the physical barrier of the intestinal lining tries to prevent the virus from spreading further. As days pass, the adaptive immune system begins to develop a more targeted response. The body produces specific antibodies, especially a type called secretory immunoglobulin A, which binds to the virus in the gut. These antibodies help neutralize the virus and prevent it from causing more damage. In children, the immune system often produces rotavirus-specific IgA, which not only helps clear the current infection but also offers some protection against future ones. During this process, the intestinal lining is damaged and becomes more permeable, which can worsen symptoms. Recovery involves repairing this lining and restoring its ability to absorb nutrients and fluids properly. Beneficial bacteria in the gut, called probiotics, can support this healing process by improving intestinal function and reducing permeability. The brain also plays a role in managing symptoms. The hypothalamus, a part of the brain, coordinates sickness behaviors such as loss of appetite, nausea, and fever. These responses help conserve energy and reduce the spread of the virus. For example, feeling less hungry during illness is a natural way for the body to focus on fighting the infection. Since diarrhea and vomiting can cause dehydration and loss of electrolytes, maintaining hydration is crucial. The body signals thirst and conserves water, but often medical care includes giving children oral rehydration solutions. These solutions contain the right balance of water, salts, and sugars to replace what's lost and support recovery. As the immune system clears the virus and the intestinal lining heals, symptoms gradually disappear. Children then develop immunity, which helps protect against future infections. This immunity involves both antibodies and T cells that remember the virus and limit its ability to replicate if exposed again. However, reinfections can still happen, especially with different strains of the virus. In summary, a child's body fights gastroenteritis through a complex but coordinated effort of immune responses that target the virus, repair the gut, and regulate symptoms. Proper hydration and supportive care are vital to help the body recover fully. Always remember, if a child shows severe symptoms or dehydration, seeking medical advice is essential to ensure safe and effective treatment.